In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to animate text using Runway ML. If you're eager to bring your text to life with some cool animations, make sure you stick around as we delve into this creative process together. To kick things off, you need to navigate to the Runway AI dashboard. If you're not already familiar, the dashboard is essentially your command center within Runway AI. From here, you can access various tools and features, all of which help you in creating stunning visual content. Once you're on the dashboard, you're going to want to locate and click on the Generate Image option. This is the critical step that begins the process of animating your text, as it allows you to work with images that contain the text you wish to animate. Moving forward, the next thing you need to do is click on the Upload button. It's important at this stage to have an image ready that contains the text you've decided to animate. So if you haven't already done so, consider preparing a visually appealing image with your desired text. This image will serve as the base upon which Runway ML will work its magic. Once you've clicked Upload, select your image that includes the text you want to animate. Remember, your image choice can significantly affect the outcome, so be sure it's clear, high quality, and positioned in a way that complements your vision for the animation. Next up, you'll need to type in a prompt. This is where you instruct the AI on what kind of animation effect you're aiming for. The more precise and vivid your prompt, the better the AI understands your concept. So take some time to consider the stylistic kind of animation you want your text to exhibit. Be as creative and descriptive as you can. After your prompt is set, simply click on the Generate button. At this point, Runway ML will begin processing your instructions and image to create an animated version of your text. It's truly fascinating to watch this technology transform your concept into reality. Now, once you've hit generate, a bit of patience is required as you wait for the magic to happen. Usually this takes around 1 to 2 minutes depending on the complexity of your prompt and the capabilities of the system at the time. Use this brief moment to maybe prepare a cup of coffee or jot down some additional ideas you might incorporate into future projects. And that's all there is to it. With these steps, you've successfully used Runway ML to animate text, adding a new layer of dynamism and creativity to your visual projects. Thank you for watching and happy creating.